So here we are back in the garage. Last video we've done all this bit here. I've been inside, smoothed off some of the welds and stuff, but we were looking at this last time, which I made this bit here. Not gonna lie, I have already tried to make this lip here. Didn't really go to plan, but I have got another idea. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get this bit done first, get all this bit done, make this panel up here, just get all this bit strengthened in first before I worry about this. But I'm probably gonna come in here, cut all this bit out so I can get the panel like buttered up against there, and then I'll come across to here. But what we'll do now is make the panel, I'll come back and we'll cut this out and weld it in. So I've made a new panel. I had to cut this bit out here, as you see here, which is attached to the chassis leg. I'm not going to reattach this at the moment, but I'll leave this off because obviously I'll take all the chassis away. But I want to get obviously the gaps right. So this is my panel I made. As you can see, this is what it should have looked like originally. So with a little lip on here, what used to come down here. So I've made this bit indent here. If you can see that bit, it's that bit. So that should, for the bumper bracket, sits in that little groove. So that goes in there nice like that. I think that's pretty much there really. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get this all sort of tacked in place, get the shape right. This obviously has got to be replaced, this bit here, so I'll just do up to where the good metal is, and then I'll replace all this bit after, but I want to get this bit in first. So let's crack on. So there you go. Does look pretty nice. It's all in there. I'm gonna come around this bit here and try and make this bit up, and then we'll go from there. But I had to come back and do all this bit again. Had a bit of a problem with this bit, so I wasn't happy with it, so I redone it all. Welded it up. Took me a while. It took me quite a long time actually to do that bit, believe it or not. But yeah, I need to get it right. So it looks good. Looks good down there as well, as you can see. All down there. Nice shape. So what I'm going to do as well is get all this bit off and weld a new lip in here to match this bit down here, all the way up here. But and I might leave this bit until I get the new front panel on, because I don't know how much I've got to cut away here. I think it's going to be roughly about there, but I might go for it, we'll see. But I might just leave that bit for now. I'll just get this lip on, and then what I'll do is come back to this, and I'm probably going to do this first actually. I love changing my mind, I love it. Probably going to do this bit first, and then I'll make the panel up, try and make some of this panel, and then I'll come back and get this all welded in. Right, let's go for it. So I've been doing this, it feels like I've been doing it for about 3 weeks. This is why the video took a little bit longer, and it isn't out yet, obviously. So I've made that to go in there, as you can see. So I'm going to get this all tacked in and welded up. There's little gaps down there, but I'll fill them. I might do the old coat hanger trick, but we'll see. I might be able to get them welded up nicely. But yeah, I don't know if you can see it really well there, but that goes in there. Goes in there like that. So it gives that nice shape there. And then I can find it. And obviously that goes on top of there like that afterwards. But yeah, as I say, it took me about 3 weeks to make. I think it's like it anyway. And the video would have been like a long time, wouldn't it? So anyway, I've cut all that out. I'm going to get that in there now. And yeah, I think there are nice ones in there. So right, we're going to crack on. Let's do it. So there it is. I haven't smoothed it completely off. I've got a bit of problem with my belt sander, so I keep chopping up the belts, so I don't want to keep wasting them, so I'll leave it for now. But this is pretty much what I've got anyway in this video, so I'm pretty pleased with it. I've got to shake this up a little bit inside here. I'll worry about it next time. And there's obviously on there. I'll spot weld that back on there. And yeah, yeah, I'm pleased with it. It's quite really nice, as you can see. So what I'll do in the next video, I'll spin it round and get all the welds smoothed off inside the engine bay. So that's the end of the video. It took me a little bit longer than I thought. Just a little bits of metal and trying to get all that shape around here, but I managed to do it, so it looks pretty good. Still got to do a little bit around here, like I say. I'm going to get inside the engine bay, smooth off all the welds, get that all painted up. I'll do that in the next video. I'll probably come over to the other side and get this bit done, because this is the only bit on this side that's done. So I'll probably get that done, and then I'll probably move back maybe to the back floor. I've got to start thinking about getting the front end taken off, all the chassis legs and the lower bulkhead bit. But like I say, thanks for coming back. Like and subscribe. If you haven't already, get yourself involved and subscribe to my channel, because it will help me. Thank you for the comments, really do appreciate it. Get yourself involved, and I'll see you next time.